In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove glasses from photo using AI. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to firefly.adobe.com because for this we're going to be using Adobe Firefly, and then you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. After you do this, click on Image down here and then select this one in the middle, which is Generative Fill. So after this, click on upload image and upload your image with a person that has glasses. So over here, I imported in an image with a person with some glasses. And what you're going to have to do is hold down your control key on your keyboard and then just zoom in with your mouse wheel like this. There we go. So we can see this a bit better. And then what you're going to have to do is you'll have to basically draw over these glasses. So you can be as precise as you want. I'm just going to go ahead and do it like this over here. And in case your glasses are much thinner, you can just use this slider bar over here to adjust the brush size and then just go over it a bit more in detail. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to go like this. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to do the job. And I'm going to demonstrate to you how to actually do this. Now, if you actually want it a bit more professional, you will of course have to basically do it a bit more precisely, not like me. Now, after you've selected this, click over here where it says enter prompt and type in remove glasses. Okay, just like this, very simple. And then click on generate. And what this will do is it will generate 3 to 4 different images or variations of this image with a person that does not have glasses. And then you can scroll through these and then you'll be able to tell which one you should take or which one not, because some of them are going to be better than the others. So as you can see, this was quite quick. If I now zoom out, as you can see, this is quite, it's decent. It's not very good because it has some shadings. However, it's still pretty decent, and this is because I wasn't as precise as I should have been. So if I would only have been very precise and went only over the frame of the glasses, then I'd be able to have a much better result. But this, of course, will do for the instance of this video. Now, if you want it better, you will have to be a bit more precise, and then you'll be able to remove the glasses. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. You can then just select the one you like, press on keep, and then you can download it via this button to your computer. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.